Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm gonna share with you how to write something or how to give a status on Litmatch make new friends application. So you can see this is the home page of Litmatch. So what you need to do, you need to tap here. You can see it's like a plus and the left. Simply tap on that. Once you tap on that, then you will get here right what's on your mind. So you can type any here. Hey. So I'm just going to write something. How are you? And after that you can see you can type up to 1000 word, and here can you also like you can add your location, and you can add many things. You can add hashtag, and after that simply tap on the send. Once you tap on the send, then it takes few moments to come on the, you can see post published successfully. So check out now. Then you can see I already posted it and one view, and it's now public. Everyone can able to see this thing. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching.